Pulau Samalona adalah pulau kecil yang indah di dekat kota Makassar. Luas total pulau ini hanya sekitar 2,34 hektar. Namun, walaupun kecil, pulau ini memiliki gugusan terumbu karang yang indah di sekitar pulau. Membicarakan destinasi bahari di kota Makassar memang tidak ada habisnya. Kali ini, akan kami ajak untuk sejenak menyelami keindahan Pulau Samalona yang cukup tersohor dengan keelokan panorama, pasir putih, dan kejernihan bawah lautnya. Untuk menuju kemari, harus menyeberang terlebih dahulu menggunakan perahu sewa. Bisa bertolak dari 2 tempat penyeberangan, yaitu Dermaga Popsa depan Fort Rotterdam atau Dermaga Kayu Bangkoa. Kira-kira dibutuhkan waktu sekitar 15 menit untuk bisa menyeberang ke pulau ini dengan perahu sewaan dengan tarif Rp300.000. Meski lokasinya terpisah dari Selat Makassar, tetapi secara administratif pulau ini termasuk bagian dari kota Makassar. Pulau Samalona merupakan bagian dari gugusan Kepulauan Supermonde di Kecamatan Wajo. Pulau Samalona unggul dengan spot penyelamannya, di mana snorkeling dan diving merupakan 2 kegiatan favorit yang banyak dijajal para pengunjung. Bahkan dapat dengan mudah menemukan penyewaan peralatan selam di pulau ini. Dengan kejernihan air lautnya, kita bisa menikmati pemandangan di bawah laut yang menakjubkan di kawasan perairan Samalona. Pulau ini juga telah dilengkapi dengan akomodasi penginapan di dalamnya, dimulai dari villa, guest house, hingga sewa rumah penduduk. Meski begitu, kita juga bisa memilih untuk melakukan camping di sekitaran pantai dengan mendirikan tenda.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray